Dim ond i'ch diweddaru chi ar y gwaith dwi'n ei wneud i drio cael ceia chwaraeon bob tywydd i Gergybi ag i Amlwch. Wedi cael cyfarfod da iawn bore yma. Had a very, very good meeting this morning. Representatives of Sport Wales and Welsh football. One very important thing is that they clearly see Anglesey as a top priority for them in delivering all-weather pitches. Other bits of good news, they agree with me that certainly in footballing terms, Amlwch puts together a very strong case for needing an all-weather pitch. Holyhead they clearly see as a priority. On Holyhead, I've got some meetings in the coming days actually bringing people together to try to take this forward. People I spoke to this morning clearly see potential in bringing something together on Millbank, maybe in collaboration with the Council Education Department and using the schools and that kind of thing. So that's really positive. That's moving forward. On Amlwch, it may well be a different way forward in building something around educational changes to in the Amlwch area. Oh, that's the bell. I've got to get down to the chamber now. But just to sum up, they are very keen to work with me on this. Maen nhw'n eiddgar iawn I weithio efo fi ar hwn. It's not easy, it takes time to do this kind of thing, but the key thing is where we're heading, and that's towards all-weather pitches, hopefully in Holyhead and Amlwch. I'll do what I can, but it's going to take a lot of people coming together, Sport Wales, Football Wales, Council, local sports clubs, but let's get there.